Welcome to Bull Crypto, where the virtual world meets the financial revolution. Get ready to explore the fascinating world of cryptocurrency. On the Bull Crypto channel, you will find new opportunities, exciting challenges, and unprecedented financial freedom. So stay tuned to our channel at Bull Crypto to gain insights, share knowledge, and become part of the community leading the change. Let's begin our adventure in the world of crypto. On this video opportunity, I will discuss a very interesting crypto project, namely Orbofi. What is Orbofi? Orbofi is the ultimate AI-generated content layer and AI asset factory and distribution platform for web3, games, and the metaverse. Orbofi empowers individuals to create AI-generated game assets and media assets in seconds with AI, tokenize them on the blockchain, and monetize their assets and virtual factories for crypto. Orbofi is on a mission to make imagination a collective and incentivized experience and to power the current and next evolution of user-generated virtual factories, economies, stories, 3D worlds, and gamified experiences with AI and blockchain. The more the world turns virtual, the more virtual factories that can generate hundreds and thousands of assets in seconds become important in the new internet experience, identity, and internet economy. AI is only positively boosting this transition and democratizing asset creation for everybody, everywhere. Tokenomics Orbofi, a utility token powering the new AI of virtual factories, virtual economies, and entire AI-generated virtual worlds, governed by humans and communities, computed by state-of-the-art AI model. Orbofi token ATO OBI is an ERC20 utility and governance token that acts as an in-app and an ecosystem currency that powers the entire production and distribution of all AI-generated content on Web3 applications, games, and media apps. Orbofi powers built-in virtual good factories that not only revolutionize virtual good production at a global scale, disrupting the $180 billion gaming or design industry, but also produce entire standalone gaming and media ecosystems, cultural movements, and govern state-of-the-art AI content models and their economies developed and deployed on the Orbofi infrastructure. Total supply 2 billion. Orbofi token distribution. Seed 10%. Strategic 4%. Public 5%. Liquidity 9%. Team and future employers 16%. Advisory 2%. Developer ecosystem 12%. Reserve 15%. Marketing and airdrop 6%. Staking rewards 7%. Subscribers 2%. Create and earn 12%. Orbofi IDO. Private or pre-sale 280 million, or 14% of the total supply. Public sale 100 million, or 5% of the total supply. List of IDO platforms. Seedify tokens for sale 50 million. Raise 400,000 USD. Game fee tokens for sale 18,750,000. Raise 150,000 USD. Engine starter tokens for sale 15 million. Raise 120,000 USD. Pools finance tokens for sale 16,250,000. Raise 130,000 USD. That concludes our video on Orbofi. I hope you found this content valuable and inspiring. If you have any questions or would like to share your experiences with crypto, please feel free to leave a comment below. We greatly appreciate your support and enthusiasm in building a friendly community and sharing knowledge. Don't forget to click the subscribe button so you don't miss our upcoming videos, where we will continue to provide the latest and interesting information about the world of crypto. See you in the next video. Keep learning and exploring the potential offered by the world of crypto. Remember, the opportunities are in your hands.